Okay, pag-usapan natin ngayon ang energy. When you were in grade 4 and grade 5, alam natin that energy means is the ability of an individual of an object to do work. Meaning, we can do writing, singing, jogging, biking, swimming, because we have the energy. Ibig sabihin, kaya nating gumalaw kasi we have the energy in our body, and that's what the energy means. Diba? Ang tanong ganito, kapag inilapat ko ba ang piece of chalk sa ibabaw ng table or lamesa, ang tanong, may energy ba ang chalk on the table? Does a chalk possess an energy? Yes, the chalk possess an energy. You have talked about the two kinds of energy when you were in grade 5. Ano yon? Yun yung potential and kinetic energy. What does it mean? Potential means energy at rest. Meaning, lahat ng bagay na nakatigil ay may energy din. Anong tawag sa energy? Ang tawag doon ay potential energy. Natatandaan pa? Ang kinetic energy naman is the energy in motion. Meaning, lahat ng bagay na gumagalaw, kasalukuyang gumagalaw, it has the kinetic energy. For example, tingnan mo ngayon ang kortina ng inyong bahay. Kapag gumagalaw ang kortina ng inyong bahay, may kinetic energy. If hindi gumagalaw ang kortinang yan, wala yung kinetic energy. It has now the potential energy. Yun. Diba? Now, let's talk about the different types of energy. Ano yon? First, we will be talking about the different types. We have the chemical, mechanical, sound, electrical, radiant, nuclear, geothermal, and solar energy. Yan. In the slides, we have the different form or types of energy presented. For example, we have the electrical, as you have seen, nakikita natin. Ang electrical, may bulb na ginamit, may bumbilya. Ang heat, may ginamit na init. Anong ginamit doon? Larawan ng apoy. Ang potential energy, ang ginamit doon ay yung roller coaster na nakastop sa taas. Kinetic energy is a biker because a biker is in motion. Atomic energy, gumamit yan dyan ng mga atomic situation. And chemical energy, gumamit na example ng gasolina. Kasi ang gasolina ay chemical energy. What is an energy? Gaya na banggit ko, energy is the ability of an object to do work. Walking, jogging, drawing, biking, speaking. Those are our works that we can do because we have the energy. What are the forms of energy? Let's start with. You have to watch this. So we have the potential and kinetic. Nabanggit na natin yung kanina kung paano. Now, moving on. Moving on to another. Okay. Now, we will identify 1 to 10. You will write potential or kinetic. Let's start with number 1. Ball at rest. What's your answer? Yes, it's potential because it at rest. Diba? See? Number 2, rolling ball. Meaning ng rolling, gumugulong yung bola. What's the answer? It's kinetic. Very good. A book on top of the table. What's your answer? It's potential. Number 4, dancing baby. Kinetic, because the baby is moving. Flowing water. Kinetic energy. Very good. Swaying leaves. Sumasayo yung mga dahon. Kinetic energy. Moving bass. Kinetic energy. Flying kite. Kinetic energy. How many of you got 8? See? Dali. Patatandaan, potential kapag nakatigil. Kinetic kapag gumagalaw. Now, let us talk about the types of energy. As shown in the slides presentation, it is presented by different kinds of pictures of illustration. We will be talking each of one. Now, moving on. So we have the chemical, mechanical, sound, electrical, radiant, nuclear, geothermal, and solar. Let's start with the first form of energy, which is the chemical energy. Everybody's chemical. Hindi yan chemical, yan ay chemical energy. Energy is stored in substance. Ano ibig sabihin ng stored? Inipon yung energy in a substance or sa isang bagay. Examples of this are margarine, medicines, fruits, battery, paper, matchsticks. Best example of it is when you are charging the battery of your phone, ang ginagawa ng charger is iniipon niya yung kuryente doon sa battery ng cellphone. At ang tawag doon sa naipon na kuryente sa battery ng cellphone ay chemical energy. Ito tawag na stored in a substance. Ano pa iba yung chemical energy? Yung mga pagkain, it has chemical energy. Bakit may chemical energy ang pagkain at ang gamot ng prutas? Bakit? They come from the plants. And the plant is stored. Nag-ipon ng energy yung plant. Saan galing inipon ng energy? From the solar energy or from the sunlight. At habang ginagawa ang process of the photosynthesis. During the process of photosynthesis, iniipon ng halaman yung solar energy to make a food, and that is chemical energy. So meaning to say, lahat ng galing sa halaman, parte ng halaman ay may chemical energy. Yun, may chemical energy. Ng pospro at yung dangkay mismo ng matchsticks, it has chemical energy because there is a stored energy in it. The battery, the paper, ito pa palatandaan guys, it has chemical energy if it undergoes chemical reactions. Ano yung may chemical reactions? One of the best example of chemical reactions is when a substance is being burned. Lahat ng nasusunog may chemical energy. Bakit siya nasunog? Because of the energy stored in it, it was burned. Kaya nga, ang example kanina doon ng chemical energy is gasolina, gas, crudo. Bakit? Kasi nabiburn. Nabiburn yun ng makina ng motorsiklo. Kaya it is one of the example of chemical energy. At marami pang iba. Yung paputok, fireworks, may chemical energy yan. Kapag kumain ka na, kapag ikaw ay may sakit, nanghihina ka, kumain ka ng kanin, lumakas ka. So, yes, that's how energy work in it. Number 2, mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy we have the electrical energy. Energy produced by a moving electrons. So yung electrical energy ay nanggagaling naman sa moving electrons of a particular atom. Kasi kung kayo nag-aaral ng ating aalamin, atom has many parts, the proton, the electrons, and the neutrons. Ngayon, yung ang ginagawa ng electrons, it move around, when then, kapag yung electrons ay gumalaw na, gumapang papunta doon sa wire, na matawag yung moving electrons. At yung moving electrons yan pupunta sa mga bahay-bahay natin, lalabas na yung electrical energy, yung kuryente. Diba? Kaya sabi, bakit Sir brownout? Nawala ang moving electrons. Halimbawa, naputol yung wire ng umeko doon sa inyong bahay. So, mag-i-stop yung electrons hanggang doon sa naputol na wire. Stop siya doon, wala nang kuryente sa bahay nyo. Bakit? The moving electrons stop. Bakit? There is no energy produced the moving electrons. So, in electrical energy, the electrons should move from the distributor to the consumer. Examples ng mga materials or appliances na gumagamit ng electrical energy, yung TV sets, electric fan, oven, electric bulb, and other electrical appliances. Tandaan, lahat ng gumagamit ng kuryente, it possesses electrical energy. At paano magkakaroon ng electrical energy? Energy. Sa ating dito sa Mindoro, ang ginagamit natin ay ng umeko or ng nagbibigay ng kuryente sa umeko ay generator. So when the generator runs, it moves electrons, yung fossil fuel electric power plant. Sa iba gumagamit ng solar, sa iba gumagamit ng wind, ng geothermal. Okay, next, radiant energy. Radiant energy, energy from glowing heat source and radiates in all directions. Tingnan mo ang araw. Ayan, see? Ngayon, pag hinipo mo yung bato doon sa labas ng bahay nyo sa tindi na sikat ng araw, mainit yung bato. Paano nag-travel yon? It travels through space. Yung araw, isang direction lang, but it radiates in all directions. Lahat ay masisinagan ng araw. At lahat ng masisinagan ng araw, pag hinipo mo ay mainit. Kasi ang radiant energy is a combination of heat and light. Pinagsamang heat and light, radiant energy. Kaya pag sinindihan mo yung kandila, yung liwanag na dala ng kandila is an example of radiant energy. Yung liwanag ng bumbilya ng bahay nyo ay an example of radiant energy. Flashlight, example of radiant energy. Yung ng apoy, example of radiant energy. Yung liwanag ng shilane, pag binuksan mo, radiant energy. At ang pinaka-best example ng radiant energy, yung liwanag ng araw sa kalangitan. Next is the nuclear energy. It's energy from either splitting or combining particles of an atom. Ito yung pinaka mahirap explain kasi you will be using a particular uranium atom in order to produce nuclear energy. May two ways. It's either splitting, ibig sabihin bibiakin. Pasasabugin yung atom, nucleus of an atom. Then pag pinasabog yung nucleus of an atom, it will boom, produce electrical energy. That's galing kasi yun sa nucleus of an atom, kaya tatawagin nuclear energy. Minsan pinapagsama yung dalawang particles ng atom, combining yun, electrical energy. Pag pinagsama yun, it will produce boom energy again na magbibigay ng kuryente in a form of nuclear energy. Ginagamit itong mga nuclear energy sa atomic bomb, ginagamit din ito as fuel ng mga submarine at ng mga spaceship. Diba? Kaya kapag nuclear energy, mura daw ang energy consumption or energy na bill na binabayarang kuryente. Kasi nga, minsan lang ito na. Pero ito ay napakadelikado kasi gagamit ito ng very tight container in order to produce the nuclear energy. Okay, and the number 7, the geothermal energy. Geo means earth, thermal means heat, kaya alam mo ng thermos, mainit. Energy generated from the interior of the earth. Ito naman yung energy na nakukuha galing sa ilalim ng mundo. Lahat ng mga lugar na may volcano, may sumisingaw dong mainit, di ba? And that's what we call the heat from the earth. And then gagamitin nila yung heat na yon para makapagpakulo ng steam Then doon pag kumulo yung steam, iikot ngayon yung turbine or yung pinaka LSC, at pag umikot yon, ang tinatawag na geothermal energy. Bakit? Hindi kasi gumamit ng crudo. Anong ginamit? Yung heat, yung init na nanggagaling sa ilalim ng lupa na siya magpapakulo ang turbine na magbibigay ng energy, and that is geothermal energy. Ang gumagamit niya mga power plant na yan ay yung mga maraming bulkan, di ba? Kuryente pa rin na lalabas yan, pero just in a form of geothermal, galing sa init ng mundo. Yun ang geothermal energy. Next would be wala na. Dapat yung meron pa mga wind energy, madaling wind energy. Wind energy galing sa hangin, yung mga windmill. Yung windmill, paikutin ng hangin. Habang umiikot yung windmill, magpuproduce yun ng electrical energy. Yun namang solar energy, gagamit ng solar panel. I-start solar panel, it will produce again electrical energy, the solar energy. Okay, directions, fill in the blanks to complete the sentence about the forms of energy. We will try to answer. The energy stored in matter is called, yung iniipon-ipon kanina, chemical energy. The energy from a glowing flame that spreads in all direction, yung apoy na nagwawatak-watak sa lahat ng direction, that is radiant energy. The energy produced by vibrating object is called, may pinapalo, nagbabalik-balik, sound energy. A form of energy that comes from either splitting or combining particles found in the nucleus is nuclear energy. The energy that comes from the inner part of the earth is called geothermal energy. And the form of energy produced by a moving electrons is referred to as electrical energy. Dali-tandaan electrons. The moving propeller of an airplane possess the mechanical energy. Let us try to answer this one. Ito guys, tingnan natin. Directions, identify the forms of energy present in each situation. Right, chemical, mechanical, sound, electrical, radiant, nuclear, or geothermal energy on the blank. Sabi natin, kapag chemical, yung inipon at yung nasusunog. Lahat ng nasusunog. Mechanical, lahat ng gumagalaw. Sound, lahat ng may vibration. Electrical, may kuryente. Radiant, may init at may liwanag. Nuclear, gumamit ng atom. Geothermal, gumamit ng init ng mundo. Let's try to answer cakes. Of course, cakes, kinakain. Lahat ng kinakain, chemical energy. Battery, inipon ng kuryente sa battery, chemical energy. Running car, tumatakbo yung car. Ano yon? Mechanical energy. Gasoline, nasusunog ang gasoline, chemical energy. Sunlight, init na may liwanag, radiant energy. Hot iron, ang ginagamit na ng plancha, electrical energy. Washing machine, electrical energy. Sailing boat, naglalayag yung bangka, nag-move, mechanical energy. Atomic bomb, atom itself, nuclear. Lighted lamp, buhay, may liwanag yung ilaw, radiant energy. Burning firewood, heat or radiant energy. And vibrating object, may vibration na, that is sound energy. Yan, let's see. Okay. Ayan na. Just that. And I guess may natutulong ang bawat isa sa atin dito. No? Okay. I hope nakatulong ito para maunawaan ang energy. Thank you.